Hi guys, Jennifer here to talk to you about a product by a company called Sugar Kush. They make CBD oils, gummy bears, and they also have brownies and cookies available on their site. But my two favorite right now are the oils and the gummy bears. They've really helped me with sleeping at night. I just take a dropperful right before I go to bed, and I've been able to rest really peacefully, sleep all night. I don't wake up, and I don't wake up during the night, but when I do wake up in the morning, I'm refreshed and ready to get into it and have a great day. My favorite is the orange creamsicle, but everything's been good and I'm really enjoying it. I highly recommend it. Take a look at their site.